Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Have you ever run out of storage? It's annoying and it can really slow down your phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you what to do when your storage is full. Number 1, identify storage usage. The first thing you want to do is figure out what's taking up all your space. On your phone, can go into settings and then storage. On your PC, you can open up File Explorer and right-click to see more storage usage. Once you're there, you'll be able to see what apps, files, or media are taking the most space. Number 2, clear cache and temporary files. After you identify what's taking up your space, you may want to start off by deleting some of the unnecessary system or app cache. On your phone can go into cleaner, and on your PC you can go into settings temp and then delete those files. No. 3, uninstall unused apps. Next you can move on to deleting the apps you don't use often. You can do this by going into your apps on your phone or uninstall programs on your PC. This will free up quite a bit of space and also help speed up your phone because you're not running apps that you do when you need in the background. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. No. 4, transfer files to cloud. Another great way to free up your storage is to transfer those files to cloud storage, like Google Drive, iCloud, OneDrive, etc. Most modern phones have this option built in, but if not, you can always download the apps from the App Store. No? 5, move files to external storage. If transferring your files to the cloud isn't an option for you, then you can always move your files to an external storage device, like an SD card, a USB drive, or an external hard drive or SSD. This is a great option for things like videos, photos, and other media. No. 6, delete old media. Speaking of media, it's probably the most space-consuming thing on your phone or PC. So take a look at your photos, videos, downloads, and other folders to see if you can delete anything. You can also use a duplicate file finder app to find those extra or duplicate files that are just taking up unnecessary space. No. 7, use storage management tools. Both your phone and PC actually have storage management tools built in. But if you want, you can also get a third-party app to help you with this. These tools usually have a bunch of features to help you clean up your storage, such as cleaning up your app cache or deleting those unnecessary temporary files. No. 8, backup and archive. If you're not ready to delete some of your files, then you can always back up and archive them onto another device or backup service. This way you can still access those files if you need to. No. 9, optimize photos and videos. If you have a ton of photos and videos, then you can try optimizing them by compressing the large files or lowering the quality settings. Keep in mind that you may lose some quality when doing this. And number 10, factory reset. Now this should be your last resort, but if your phone's performance is severely affected, then you can always factory reset it. This will delete everything on your phone and bring it back to its original state. Just make sure you back up your files first. So there you have it, guys. Those are 10 things you can do when your storage is full. Hopefully this video was helpful and you were able to free up some of that storage. Let us know in the comments down below what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.